Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello Primary 6. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome back to Time for English. This time we will talk about how often. Ask and answer using how often. How often is a question word that asks about how many times does the action happen. We usually use how often in present simple tense. We use do and does as helping verbs with how often. In the answer, we use the adverbs of frequency, always, usually, and sometimes. We can use also once, twice, 3 times a day, a month, or a year. Let's see some examples. When we use do, we use how often plus do plus subject, they, we, you, or plural nouns, plus verb infinitive and the rest of the question and the question mark. Is, how often do you play the guitar? The answer, I always play the guitar in the morning. Another answer, I play the guitar twice a week. When we use does, we have how often plus does plus subject, he, she, it, or any singular noun, plus verb infinitive, and the rest of our question and question mark. The answer, he, she, it, or any singular noun, plus adverb of frequency, plus verb is or es, and the rest of the sentence. Or another answer, he, she, it, or singular noun plus verb plus s or es, plus once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, etc., a day, a week, a month, or a year. Let's see our examples. How often does he go to the cinema? He sometimes goes to the cinema on Friday, or he goes 4 times a month. Another one, how often does she have her lunch? She usually has her lunch at 3 o'clock, or she has her lunch once a day. Let's have an exercise for our how often. Choose the correct answer. 1. How space do you get a sunburn? The answer, twice a year. Often, much, many, old. Yes, the right answer will be often. How often do you get a sunburn? Number 2. He always space a newspaper in the morning. Don't read, read, reading, reads. Yes, the right answer will be reads. He always reads a newspaper in the morning. Number 3. How often does he space a haircut? Got, getting, gets, get. Correctly, the right answer will be get, because there is does. How often does he get a haircut? The last one, I take medicine space a day. 2, twice, 2, TOO, 2. The right answer will be twice. I take medicine twice a day. That's all for now. Thanks for your watching. I hope you're fine. Goodbye.